In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import HTML into Notion without any coding. If you've got a web page or an exported article saved as an HTML file, and you want it in Notion, this process is quick and beginner-friendly. I'll walk you through it, explain what to expect, and share a few tips to keep everything clean and organized. Start by opening Notion in your desktop browser. Using the web version ensures you have the latest import options and a stable view of your workspace. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace and that your internet connection is solid, since you'll be uploading a file. Next, navigate to the page where you want the HTML content to live. You can import into any page, but many people prefer to bring content into an empty page so the imported material appears together, making it easier to tidy up afterward. Either way, head to the page you've chosen and get ready to import. Look to the left sidebar and click Import. If you don't see the sidebar, hover near the left edge or click the toggle to reveal it. The Import button opens a menu with several options for bringing external content into Notion. From the list of import types, choose HTML. You may notice other formats like Markdown or CSV, but for a standard web page or exported article, HTML is the right choice. Choosing HTML tells Notion to convert the structure of the page into Notion blocks, such as headings, paragraphs, lists, links, and images. Now select your HTML file from your computer. Pick the .html file you want to import. Notion will begin uploading it right away. Larger files or files with many images may take a bit longer, so keep the tab open while the upload completes. Wait while Notion uploads and converts the content. During this step, Notion translates the HTML into native blocks. Inline styles and very complex layouts might not carry over exactly as they looked in a browser, but the main text and structure should come through clearly. Once the import finishes, review the content on the page and adjust the formatting as needed. Scan headings to ensure the levels look right, check that lists and tables are aligned, and test a few links. If images didn't land perfectly, you can reinsert them or drag them into place. Use Notion's block menu to convert paragraphs to callouts or code blocks, if that's more appropriate, and clean up any extra spacing so the page reads smoothly. That's how to import HTML into Notion. Like, share, and subscribe.